This is my 100th video on YouTube. I have released one video each week since starting this YouTube channel, so I've never missed a week. And so many people tell me, well, Amanda, that's probably easy for you because you had a video background and you're comfortable on camera. That I see as nothing other than an excuse that people say so that they can justify not taking action. The truth is that I started incredibly uncomfortable on camera, and it was a 2-year process leading up to releasing my first YouTube video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a compilation of all of the videos that I filmed before ever releasing my first YouTube video. My hope with sharing this journey is that you see yourself in these videos. How many videos have you filmed in the past that you have just scrapped? And are you going to quit before you even start?
Our goal is to record history by telling your business's story and change the future of it by increasing your impact. It's 2016. Do you have a video yet? Video marketing is the #1 online advertising tool today, and so you really can't afford not to use it. It can be really hard to cut through the noise and draw in the appropriate audience for your business. I created this company to help small and medium-sized businesses afford video marketing. I've worked with a number of different businesses across a variety of platforms, across a variety of industries. Yeah, okay. Oh my God, this is just driving me crazy right now. And along the way, I've picked up a couple tips and tricks about making effective. It's super helpful to have you guys here. As terrible as this is, okay. And that's that. And that's that. And that's that. But if you're anything like me, your projects by the end of the, In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean up sequences before completing a project. The goal of this video is to help write your brand script in under 5 minutes. Answer the following 3 questions in a concise and compelling manner, and you'll practically have written your script. This is super important because if you ever hire an editor, you're gonna need a system in place so that they can...
You hear your heartbeat.
Oh, really?
Like, doo, 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 doo.
Yeah, my heart's beating fast. It's weird. I'm not used to other people being here when I do this, I think. This is what it is.
Walk out?
No, it's okay. I can do it.
We can stand outside.
No, I can do it. I can do it. Videography or production house. Business owners and entrepreneurs. God, I have been creating other people's video content for the last 4 years, but haven't had any time to create my own. I've been saying, don't overthink it, just do it, get in front of the camera, and it only means so much when I haven't done it myself. So you're going to be seeing a lot more of me in front of the camera, sharing what I know with you so that I can actually prove that this works. People are more likely to avoid a loss than achieve a gain. So I feel like I should start with a loss so you don't lose out on opportunities. Okay. It's a lot. This is gonna be so interesting. Welcome, guys. Step 2, Trust me, if I can do this, then so can you. The only thing you need to do is start sitting down in front of the camera and just start failing. And if you would like to get started on the right foot with the right topics from the get-go and not waste any time, then be sure to grab my quick start guide to video. It is a 15-minute bingeable series that will get you up and running as fast as possible. You can grab that in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.